Welcome to the world of car accessories. Buckle up and get ready to customize your ride. Today, we're exploring a game-changer powerhouse, the portable electric vehicle charger. WOLFBOX presents Smart Home Electric Vehicle Charger. Let's explore it. The charger comes with everything you need for a seamless installation. Includes an SAE J1772 connector, a generous 25 feet extension cable for direct charging, an EV charger holder, and installation tools. Whether you prefer indoor or outdoor charging, WOLFBOX has you covered. This charger boasts RFID charging for added security. It is completely weatherproof, built to withstand extreme temperatures, and dust-proof. No matter the conditions, WOLFBOX keeps you charged and ready to go. WOLFBOX's charger delivers 9 times faster charging than Level 1, adding 45 miles of range in just an hour. Learn WOLFBOX app and manage how to schedule charging times to take advantage of off-peak electricity rates to save money. Adjust current and maximize your enjoyment on the road. WOLFBOX offers reliable charging for almost all electric vehicles on the market. It boasts a near-perfect rating on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Have a question about a gadget? Leave a comment below, and I'll make a future video. Stay cool.